Okay, here we are again, Victory Honda Plymouth, another fresh trade-in, 2023 Honda HRVLX all-wheel drive. It was bought here new, serviced here. She came here to have the oil changes done, have it checked out, have it serviced. She actually was just here. She upgraded into a 2026 HRV. She loved the car so much, she just went with the new one. 14,000 miles on this car. It's black in color. It's got black interior. LX all-wheel drive, so it's great in the elements, the snow, with the all-wheel drive feature. Just walk around it so you can see the paint. It's in great condition. Alloy wheels, lots of cool stuff, safety features, 4-cylinder engine, great fuel economy. Honda certified, goes through a 182-point inspection. We check it out top to bottom, front to back, side to side, make sure the brakes, the fluids, the filters, the tires, everything is up to specification. Then it could be back with the Honda certified warranty, 7 years, 100,000 miles, good at any Honda dealership in the United States. Again, 2023 Honda HRV LX all-wheel drive with only 14,000 miles, black in color, Honda certified, here at Victory Honda Plymouth. Come check it out, 315 Ann Arbor Road, Plymouth, Michigan. As always, you get 2 sets of keys, the books, the Carfax report, all the maintenance history comes with it. We also give you 2 years worth of oil changes and tire rotations. So come check it out today or give us a call, 734-453-3600. We look forward to helping you out soon. Thanks.